Aloha everyone. Today I'm in Kaanapali on Maui's west side, and I'm on a beach that's not only considered one of Maui and Hawaii's best beaches, it's actually consistently ranked as one of the best beaches in the United States of America. In this video, I'm going to take you on an aerial tour of Kaanapali Beach, and as always, we'll be taking a look at some of the beautiful resorts and real estate that we pass along the way. Let's go take a look.
We're going to start the tour on the far south end of Kaanapali. Right now, we're looking in the direction of Lahaina, which you can see off in the distance. From here, we're going to spin to the north and follow the coastline all the way up to Black Rock. The first stretch of sand that we see is where the Lahaina Canoe Club launches their canoes. So of course, everyone calls this Canoe Beach, but it's actually the far south end of Kaanapali Beach. And the first resort that we see on the southern tip of Kaanapali Beach is the Hyatt. The Hyatt is located on 40 oceanfront acres spread through several high-rise towers. It's been open since 1980, and it's home to the Drums of the Pacific Luau, which is one of Maui's longest-running shows. The resort offers a unique Tour of the Stars experience, providing guests with the opportunity to stargaze from its rooftop, which allows for incredible views of the legendarily clear skies on Maui. In fact, the Hyatt in Kaanapali was recently named the world's top hotel for stargazing by CNN Travel. So you probably already noticed that this portion of Kaanapali Beach looks rather narrow. This southern part of the beach continues to grapple with beach erosion challenges. You can actually see a portion of the beach path in front of the Hyatt is currently being undermined by the ocean. There is an ongoing debate about the most effective and equitable approaches to shoreline management here in Kaanapali Beach and in other locations on Maui. It's been difficult to find a solution that balances environmental stewardship, cultural preservation, and the economic interests in some of Maui's coastal communities with regard to the beach erosion issues. That being said, the beach does grow and shrink depending on the swell in the season, and the beach is larger as we continue to fly north towards Black Rock. By the way, Kaanapali Beach was Hawaii's first master-planned resort area. It was developed in the early 1960s, and the success of Kaanapali inspired the development of other master-planned resort areas in Hawaii, like Wailea on Maui's south side, Princeville in Kauai, and Waikoloa on the Big Island. The next resort that we're going to pass is the Maui Marriott Hotel. The Marriott has an extra-large super pool area that spreads through 3.5 acres, and it has several on-site dining options, including one of my favorites, Longy's Restaurant, which some people might recognize from their time in their original location on Front Street in Lahaina. As we round the corner here, you can start to make out the prominent Kaanapali landmark known as Black Rock off in the distance. The next property that we'll pass is one of my favorites to show and sell as a real estate broker. I'm talking about the Kaanapali Alii. Unlike the timeshare resorts that we've already passed along the Kaanapali Beach path, the Alii is 100% individually owned, fee-simple ownership. Of course, the property is still in hotel/resort zoning, so owners are able to rent their condos to vacationers on a short-term rental basis. Floor plans range from 1-bedroom, 2-bath up to 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus den, which functions like a 3-bedroom. And current prices start just under $2 million, with some of the more premium units offering incredible ocean views. I have represented several buyers and sellers at the Kaanapali Alii, and it's always a pleasure spending time at this location. I'll share a link in the description below to a page on my website that displays all the current listings at the Alii, along with additional information like past sales, site maps, and video tours of the property. Just past the Kaanapali Alii is the Westin Maui Resort and Spa. This resort has been honored with the 4 Diamond Award, reflecting its commitment to upscale amenities and exceptional service. And the resort is well known for a holistic approach to guest well-being, with programs that promote physical, emotional, and spiritual health. And as recently as 2023, the resort just completed a $160 million renovation to improve the property. And just past the Westin, before we reach the next resort, is Whalers Village, which is a premier open-air shopping and dining destination offering luxury retailers and several outstanding dining options at popular restaurants like Monkey Pod's Kitchen, Leilani's on the Beach, and Hula Grill. On the other side of Whalers Village is Whalers Resort. Whalers Resort and Kaanapali Alii are the only 2 individually owned, full ownership, fee simple properties on Kaanapali Beach that are on the south side of Black Rock. With the rare hotel/resort zoning allowing short-term rentals and current pricing just over $1 million, I really like this property for my investment-minded clients. Again, I'll share a link to the page on my website that displays current listings and more information on Whaler Resort in the description below. Past Whalers Resort is a smaller hotel property that we get a brief glimpse of from this angle as we fly by quickly. This one is the Outrigger Kaanapali Beach. The final resort along this stretch of Kaanapali Beach is the Sheraton Maui Resort and Spa. The Sheraton was built in 1963 as the first resort on Kaanapali Beach, and it played a pivotal role in establishing the area as Hawaii's first master-planned resort destination. The resort's unique architecture was designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. As you can see, some of the buildings were built into the side of and on top of Black Rock. The premium rooms feature outstanding ocean and beach views. In fact, the intro and conclusion to this video, with the picturesque background, were shot from the top floor of the Sheraton. Black Rock itself is a sacred site in Hawaiian culture and a snorkeling hotspot teeming with marine life. Each evening, the Sheraton continues a decades-old tradition of a nightly cliff diving ceremony, where a diver starts from the Sheraton, climbs the cliff, and lights torches along the rock before leaping into the ocean below. This harmonious blend of thoughtful design, cultural traditions, and luxury hospitality makes Sheraton a truly iconic destination on Maui's west coast, and, in my opinion, one of the best vibes on the entire island. So this is as far as we'll fly in this video, as drone flights north of Black Rock do require special FAA permission due to its proximity to the Kapalua Airport. However, I will point out one more resort property that offers individually owned real estate on Kaanapali Beach. Off in the distance, you can see Hanuakai Resort and Spa.
So that's it for the quick aerial tour of Kaanapali Beach. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like this throughout the Hawaiian Islands. I hope to see you all in the next one. Aloha.